In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A21s, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first you have to go to the settings, now find and select General Management and click on date and time. And as you can see, you've got automatic date and time, or you can switch it off, and right here you can select region, so just pick it from this list. You can also enter the region that you want to apply, but smoothly like this you can also do it. Then just change the date and time. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. But if you would like to go back to automatic setup, you just have to click on the switcher, and that's it now. Again, date and time will be set up automatically. And the second option here, the possibility that this date and time mode gives you, is the format of your clock. So you can use either 24-hour format clock, or you can turn it off and have 12-hour format clock. Just leave the option that you like the most. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.